Okay, I think I'm ready to take this off. This has been installed now for, we're on day, I slept with it for 3 nights now. And yeah, it's just time to come off. My head's starting to get itchy. I've loved it, and this is the Icy Blush from WIGSPACANADA, and this has held up, and it still feels amazing. I'm so excited that I was able to wear this one like this. So I'm going to do something different than I did with my last removal. Last time I used the Big Kizzy, once I remembered that I had this product, and but Cass also mentioned something about using this olive oil to remove as well. So I'm going to do half with the Big Kizzy, half with the olive oil, and we're going to see which one I think works the best. So first off, we're going to get all the hair out of the way. But, oh, I should show you guys. I want you to see. This is still, like, seriously holding. Like, even, this is the spot that kind of lifted yesterday, but this is not going anywhere. Okay, like, this is held on so good. I think I've got a few little, like, I can feel some of the edging a little bit now, but I think that was from fighting with wig caps, trying to put all this hair up and under. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this Big Kizzy. This is their step 1, and I think I probably needed step 2 or 3. This is just for tape-in remover, tape-in extensions remover, but it worked last time, so I'm going to do this half with Big Kizzy. So let's get this on here. It says to saturate the lace area. Okay, we're going to do that. We're going to let that sit. Ooh, it's got a bit of a smell. And then we're going to use this olive oil. This is like infused with coconut oil. So this is good to use on human hair. This is like a Nourishing Sheen spray. So if you have wigs that you want to shine up a little bit, this is a really good product. You can use it on human. You can use it on synthetic. Like, it's amazing. So let's get this on here. I've never used this for this, so this is kind of interesting. You guys see the fumes from that? So now I'm just gonna kind of rub that in. And let's see how this goes. I'm kind of excited to get this off, guys. As much as I love having the hair on my head, it's just time for it to come off. My head's itchy underneath it. So I'm just trying to blend that product into the lace. Let's see if we're having any luck yet. No. Oh, definitely more on this side. Okay. Okay, so let's apply some more of this. Let's just see. Maybe I might have misheard her. Okay. Let's just really continue working this product in. Thank you guys for joining me on my little journeys when I do something fun like this. To be able to know how to install a wig now is really a game changer for me. Next time I do this, I will be applying this with Cass's Wig Essentials kit. She's got, I'm just going to put a little bit more of this Big Kizzy on this side. Yeah, Cass has got a new kit that has wig glue that will do like up to 5-week wear. Like, seriously, 5-week wear. She's been testing it out, and she's got it on, she's had it on for, I think, almost 3 weeks now. She's also got a melting lace, which is what I would probably be more interested in. And it comes with the scalp protector and also with the oil to remove it. So I'm excited to get that, and I'm so excited. Cass is branching out and getting some products, because Cass is a wig wearer, and she's been dealing with wigs and hair loss for years, you guys. So she's a really good one to, ow. Okay, I have hair underneath here. I didn't have a shaved head when I did this. Okay, this is definitely coming off on this side. Oh, it's kind of, okay. Ow, there's a spot, tender spot. Okay, and you want to be very gentle with this lace because you don't want to rip it. Oh, that makes me sneeze. Oh, excuse me. You know when you pull one of those little tiny hairs? Okay, so that side's off. Let's see if we can pull the rest of this off. We're just going to work on this very slowly. There we go. Okay, so both worked. Now, let's just see. Compare, like Big Kizzy, not much lace glue left on the lace, but that olive, it's all on the lace. So we're going to have to work it off. I'm going to probably use the Big Kizzy product to get it off. Now let's see. So the Big Kizzy, the glue is still on my head. This one, most of it's off. There's still some. So do you want it on the lace or do you want it on your head? I guess that's the telltale sign, like what do you prefer as to which way to do this. But I'm really interested to see Cass's product from the WIGSPACANADA. I'm just going to use this. Oh guys, this feels so good to have this off my head. But yeah, so there's different products out there, but I'm really excited to try Cass's out and see how that wears, especially for like the melting lace, because then I can just do like the temporary day hold. Oh, this feels good to do. Welcome to Brenda, you guys. Okay, look, can you see that? I've got gunkies on my fingers. So she also said to use a micro, whatever these are called. And I have one of these from a while back. So we're just gonna kind of rub that in. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to work on this, get this out, but there you go, you guys. There's my journey of installing a wig, wearing it for a few days, up and like nights and everything, and yeah, it was fun, and I definitely will do this again. And thank you guys for watching this with me, and maybe watching me struggle. Oh, I wonder if I should try let's try this on this. Don't breathe. Oh, I don't like being sticky, guys. See, this is the side that all the glue came off on the wig, and so it's not hard to get this off at all. There's a little bit right there. Oh, it just comes off. But yeah, all right, guys. So thank you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and you never know what I'll do next. Bye.